everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to delete friends on Monopoly Go. To delete a friend in Monopoly Go, first of all launch open the Monopoly Go application and then log into your account. From the home page, tap on the Friends button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the Friends and Family tab, tap on the Leaderboard button at the top right and select Friends. This will show you the list of your friends on Monopoly Go. To remove a friend from your friends list or to delete a friend, tap on their profile picture from the list and you will see this little remove button popping up. Tap on remove and click on remove in the pop-up once again to confirm, and right after you do that, the friend will be removed from your list and you will no longer have access to their game progress or interaction within the app. And that's it. You've successfully removed a friend in Monopoly Go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.